Come on, everybody. Boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls. Just getting set up. Gonna crack on with some projects. Got a little bit of the old Red Bull. Again, naughty. On the hard stuff. Okay, get everything in order. Crack this open. Woo. Yeah, boy. With the old Red Bull going down. Everything's set up. Yeah. Drink some Red Bull before we start. Okay, boys and girls. Going to be going over some projects. I want to finish off one that I started a little while ago. Basically, what the software does, it it takes a list of keywords and then it goes out to Google and checks if that keyword has a video pack in it. Okay. Yeah. So it checks if it's got a video pack in, and then if it has, I think I already made the database for it. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it checks, it puts in the keyword into the database and if it has a video pack or not. And the idea behind this is there's going to be a software that makes videos en masse. Okay, so then you through testing, I was able to find out that if you have a video and you use the title, and the title was the main keyword, so if it was this one, how to curl your hair, and the first line of the description's the keyword, then you have a good chance, as long as it's not a really tough keyword, you have a good chance of getting into that video pack. So I wanted to build this out so you can test loads and loads of keywords in any niche, see which ones have a video pack in them, and then with them keywords they're saved to the database, and then they're the ones that can be targeted for mass videos. So that's the idea behind it. So I wanted to see how far I got with this. I think I completed this bit. The other thing I wanted to add to it is to detect if there is a Quora link within that first page for that keyword as well, because I want to be able to go in to the ones that do have a keyword, do have a link on the front page for that keyword, go in, have an answer made, and then upvote it using some bot goodness to rank. So then you're basically taking over the front page of Google for question keywords, which is going to be evergreen because they stick there for a long time, and Google loves Quora. So that's the idea behind this bot, is first of all to be able to get in the video pack with videos, and second, be able to take over the Quora answers that are on the front page. So if any niche that you're in, you can basically take over by using this. That's the plan. That is the plan. And also today in the stream, I'm going to look into some ideas I've had with some bots. One idea that I had was that you have software like Scrapebox, etc., that post comments on blogs, and they're very generic. You probably get spammed to death on your own blog. However, I was thinking that maybe you could have a commenter that's a bit more intelligent, okay, that could read like the table of contents and put that in the comment and then mention the blogger's name, so that then the comments are going to get approved on high traffic blogs. And then obviously if they're approved, you can, as long as your message isn't spammy, you can probably add a video URL in there, or maybe even a link to a blog post of yours if you do it right. So I'm going to look into that as well. So that's the kind of thing I'm getting down with in this stream. So if you've got any questions at all, and you want answers regarding what I'm doing or your own projects, then just hit me up in the comments. It's all good. Just gonna have a bit more Red Bull and crack on the hard stuff. Should drink a little bit less of this. I've been on it a few days actually. Oh, this lovely stuff, lovely. There you go. So yeah, let's see where I got with this bot. So just before I get started as well, better hit with the old shameless plugs as well. If you haven't already done so, then check out the links in the chat. You can join the Bot Empire membership. By doing so, you get access to the Bot Vault, which has loads of bots in there, both the compiled version and the actual scripts, including the Reddit bot. There's loads of stuff in there, and I've just sifted through about 50 gigabytes of old stuff and got all this good stuff, and I'm going to drop that into the vault after this live stream. You also get access to all the up and coming courses, including the JavaScript one, the Browser Automation Studio, and the AutoIt one. You also get access to the support channel, where you can just drop in any problems that you've got and I will answer. I get so many messages every day, so they're the ones that I answer every day. So you also got me for support as well. And there's lots of other perks, so click on the link and you can check all the perks. If you haven't already done so, join the Discord channel, link is in the description. And if you want to be put down to get notified of the courses and get an early bird discount, register at the Bot Empire, links in the description. Go get it. Awesome. Okay, so let's see where I got with this. I think that it works. I think that I just need to add the Quora stuff. I think. Let's have a look. List of keywords. Good question. Very good question. Did I make something for this? I think I gave this a really stupid name as well. What did I even call it? It's not for I don't even know where yeah, check videos for Google, that's what I called it. I haven't got a keyword list. That's not a problem though. I can make one. Keyword list. Or how to dye your hair. Best way to curl your hair. Okay, and then we're gonna crack on with just one more, I think. Best way to curl color your hair. I'm sure these have got videos on, that's why I'm targeting these kind of keywords. Okay, see where I got to. So we've got a keyword list. Keyword list. What am I doing? What am I doing? Right. Ugh. Goodness. Right. Threads 1. There's only 3. That was loud. Doesn't matter. 3. Time to wait in between. Actually, I'm going to take 10 seconds just to be extra safe because I'm not using any kind of proxies or anything. And let's see if this works. Actually, what I need to do before I do any of that is get rid of the database entries. Select all. Okay. Okay, now let's have a go at it. Run it. List of keywords. Okay, one thread. All. Wait 10 seconds to be extra sure. Okay. See if this bad boy works. Show me the browser. Okay. How to dye your hair. A video pack. Yep. Oh, yep. Video pack on this one. Okay. Waiting 10 seconds. Okay. Next one. Curl your hair. Yep. Video pack. I think I did complete this bot then, with regards to doing the grabbing the videos. Nice. Last one. Best way to color your hair. Does that have a video pack? It has videos. Oh, video pack. That's a different layout. Is it going to grab it? Is it still going to grab it? Let's see. Okay, done. Finished. Voila. Show database. Database manager. Yep. Good. So it does work. It's always good when it works. All 3 have a video pack. It's all good. Okay. So I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to check this schema. Let's have a look. Results. Has video pack. Yes. So now I'm going to add a column. Actually, let's get on here. Yeah. Awesomeness. Right. Jump back here. Yeah, we do want to do that. So edit schema, and then I'm going to add a column to the database. Has Quora link. Quora. If you don't know, guys, Quora is a question and answers site. So I'm sure lots of you know what it is, but you can ask questions and other people can answer them for you. And Google loves the site. So for a lot of question keywords, there is a Quora link. So the idea is to then answer the questions that are on the front page of Google for any niche, and then with the help of our bot friends, upvote the our answer and get on top. Of course, for educational purposes only. I'm not saying that you should go and do this. It's just something that could be done. As a Quora link. Okay, sounds good to me. Save, restart, should be good to go. Should be all gravy. So look, show database, edit schema. Yeah, it has Quora link. Okay, so I'm gonna hit record now. Gonna have to edit the pass line now. Get on there. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, so turn keyword. Okay. Return this. Okay. So his element exists. So we're going to do the same for Quora. Then because we've got the database, it will be all good. So we can do that here. Right, yo. It's fine with me. Now I just need to let's find how to travel India alone. I don't know. I need to find one that's got a Quora answer in. I knew it. Most question. Oh no. To travel alone. Most keywords are as a woman. Oh, I didn't. Ah. Anytime that I'm not looking for a Quora link, they're always there. And now, let's try a different niche. Why is it when when you have to think of something, it never comes to your mind? Best way to travel to lose weight. That's got to be. What is going on? Have a look. Get down. Okay. What happened? I know. Let's actually just go to Quora. And then dogs, hey? Dogs. Okay. Focus on the question. Okay, let's whack that in and see what happens. Nope, that's not what I wanted. This is unbelievable. Oh, it is. It's top. Yeah. Goodness. Okay. Right. So we found one with a link. So what I'm going to do is come over here. Load. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? Losing the plot. Okay, so we don't want to load that. I want to load google.com. Okay. And then type. I don't actually need it to do it, just execute and then type that, go for it. Lovely, okay. That'll be bigger. And then type, just hit enter, that'll do the job. Boom. Okay, Quora here. So I don't actually need to load Google there either now, I just needed to get to the page. So let's have a look. So what did we do before? Right, if that exists. Okay, so let's have a look here. Type is exists. Right. Let's find out. Huh. Oh, that's no good. I wonder if we can just be really stupid and even say Quora.com. There's two. Oh, it's the same link. It's there and there. Okay. Should be relatively straightforward. It doesn't matter how many are on there. I don't care. As long as we grab it. So that is there. Quora. Yep. Don't really need to put the www. Does it change anything? No, it's still 2. That's good enough for me. If it's good enough for you. Right. So that will make sure that exists. We obviously have to keep it different from the other one. So why am I doing it like that? No idea. Quora. Okay, exists Quora. So that will definitely tell us if there's a Quora post on there. That's good. Where do let's whack it in there? Oh, what? No. Okay, let's actually do it properly now. I need to execute and add. That was the problem. And then if we just go, we didn't want the www to be caught. Oh goodness, come on. Yeah, so if we just go Quora.com, should say 2 still. That's good. Also check if it. No, that's all good. Right. Thank you. So after that, is it exist? Then we need to keep it a different name, and it's obvious that we should call it Quora. Is element exist? So then we're going to do a bit of logic. So if it exists equals true, if it's true, then have an else as well. So if the Quora is there, then we want to. What do we want to do? We want to, insert the record. So let's go to our database and then date record, because it will be the same record that this is doing. Has Quora pack. Yes. So it's the current, because right, so insert record. I think that's going to work. The thing is, so up here when we make the YouTube one, what happens if it doesn't have a YouTube? Then it's okay. That should be okay. He says. False. Update resource results. Okay. And then we're gonna log out. yeah, so then we're going to log out. Yes. Yes. List of keywords. List of, oh my goodness. List of keywords has a Quora link. Yeah, okay. And then update the record, else we're just going to put no Quora link here, mate. No Quora. Are we on the else? Yeah. Okay. No Quora link here, mate. Okay, and then it will sleep, and then it's going to, what is this? Oh, I don't need that. What? How did that get there? Windows start menu. Wait for, oh, because I was showing someone how to run exe files from BAS, and I must have done it while I was on this script. Okay, no problema. So let's have a look. Has this got? It'd be good if this had a video pack in as well. It has. Awesome, absolutely awesome. So then we can really test this. That's great. That's really great. So yeah. I like where it's going. Did I get rid of the okay. Get element text, being so lazy, only execute, save text. Oh, because only execute, dumb. Would an untrained dog protect its owner? Oh, what am I doing? Okay. It's here anyway. Right. Time to test, because this keyword has a Quora link and it has a video pack. So hopefully, because I'm worried about this, if it inserts a record here, but then I'm going to update the record. I want it to update the same record, okay, so that it matches. But will it? All will be revealed. So a little crack at this. Save. So I want to change the keyword list. Only going to use one keyword. Okay. Aditya, is that the right pronunciation of your username? How to scrape all results at once. When you say all results, what do you mean? Do you mean all the links for a keyword, or what are you trying to achieve? Let me know and I'll help you out. Just have a little sip of Red Bull, guys, and then we're going to test this out and see if it works. Hopefully it does. Just quickly as well, shameless plug. If you haven't already done so, check out the Bot Empire membership. Link is in the chat. You get loads of perks, access to support, so answer all your questions. You get access to the vault, which has loads of bots in. It's about to be filled up with lots of extra stuff. There's loads of scripts in there. There's even the Reddit bot, the compiled version, and the actual script as well. Loads of stuff in there. Like I said, you get access to the support channel. So you get access to me. You also get access to all the courses, current and future ones, and access to all the present bots they're there. So it's really, really good value. And also you get that warm glow in your heart that you're supporting the tribe, the Bot Empire tribe. So check that out. Also, if you're not a member of the Discord, you know what to do. It's in the chat. Come over to the Discord. When you join the Discord, the old Bot Empire, the old browser automation studio course is there. It's for free. So make sure you join us on Discord, and also put your name down for the future courses. The link's in the description so that you get the early bird discount. Okay, sip of the old Red Bull. Okay. Let's check this bad boy out. So one thread, how many keywords to check? Just one. Okay. Actually, stop. I need to delete the current stuff in the database. Because we got our video packs fine. This is fine. This is all working. This is all dandy. What am I doing? Select all and then delete. Goodbye. Okay. Now we're ready. Finally. Run. Let's get it. Bum, 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 bum. Will an untrained dog protect its owner? Yes. Okay. Awesome. So, hopefully you can see that. Yes, has a video pack, and yes, it found it had a Quora link. That's all good, but the main thing is, did it work? Oh no. Oh no. See, we need it to update here. Okay. Well, let's wipe everything now so we don't have to do it in a minute. Okay. Save. Let's record. See where we've gone wrong. Okay, so fix this. That's all good. Update one record. Results. Yep, that's good. Quora has link yet, so right. Let's see what options we've got with the database. Date. Set record. Update one record. Results. That's what I was doing. Update one record. Okay. So update one record. Yeah, that's interesting because I could move this and then have it so it's an and. So if that is true and that's true, insert record. To change group, update one record, insert. Select one record. Database to use. Keywords, threads. No, don't worry about that. example, yeah. Last record obtained as resource, yeah. Else, no core time to wait. Let's core a pack. I'm just going to speed this up for now. It's a bit naughty, but I don't really want to do it that way. I could just make it a separate database, but trying to think of the logic behind this. Why? Because if I'm going to test this, if I change this to insert record, it's going to add a separate record, I think. Yeah, I'm sure of it, but I'll check. I'm quite sure it's not the way forward, but hey ho. Files allowed, database. Get on. Protect this owner. Okay, now it's going to find them, I think, like before. Okay, great. It knows that it has a video pack, knows that it has a Quora link. It's going to wait 10 seconds. It's going to stop, but I've got a feeling now it's going to insert 2 separate records. Yeah. Okay, there's one more test I want to do actually. Save, record. So record. Update again, but if it's true. Okay. Run it. Oh, database needs restart. Oh, right. Okay. That's going to be one of the reasons it wouldn't work anyway. What the hell? Huh? Why did it change? Okay. Interesting. Did it save the last change? I don't know why it just changed script. That's crazy. Update one record. Yes. Okay. Save. Run this bad boy. Yes. Okay. Has video pack, but it's not doing that. Hmm. Base 4, 4. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do separate database because I can't think of the answer right now. This is a way around it. There's always more than one way to skin a cat. In other words, there's always more than one way to do something. Should I do it this way? Okay. Database for Cora. Okay. So database next. Good for me. Use Cora. Okay. Then let's muck around with this for a minute. Edit database, and then that's going to have by keyword and string, add table, okay, I don't really want to do it this way, but okay, let's just crack on. So Cora results, and then add, and then keyword for Cora, just to make sure it's separate so we don't get any hang-ups. Keyword for Cora, and then add, and then has Cora link. Yeah, okay. That'll do for now. That'll do. Okay. So, and then okay, so save, restart, and then database for Cora. Oh, but what I want to do is I can no. Database for Cora. Make sure it's hard set in Cora results, which means I'm going to have to restart, and then we should be good to go. Just need to change it so it saves to that table. So what I've done is basically separate the tables. It was not ideal, but I just can't think of the perfect workaround right now, and I want to get this done so I can put this into production. So you are going to go to bye, and then we're going to have database, and we're going to have insert record, and then it's going to be for Cora results, and this is going to be yes if it has it. So hopefully that will fix the issue. Let's have a little try, get a little sip in. The old Red Bull, lovely jubbly. Right, yo. Okay. Run. So then, how many keywords to check? Oh yeah, it's just one. Everything's the same. In theory. Let's check it out, guys. Okay. Show browser. Okay. Hopefully this will be correct now. Yes, it has a video pack. Yes, it has a Quora link. So you say, bot. So you say, but the proof is in the database. Let's check that out. So okay, and then go projects, show database, and oh, we didn't delete the result from before, but anyway, that works. But Quora, and oh, it's not saving the keyword because I didn't add that in. Let's get rid of everything. Let's get rid of the results from here this time. Could have just deleted them all, but okay, there's not that many to do by hand. That's fine. Okay, yes, I added it to say yes, but I didn't save the keyword. That's fine. That's an easy fix. Let's get back on it. Sip the old Red Bull. Lovely. Right. So when we do this, we also want to save the keyword. We did, yeah, just list the keyword because it only does the same, only does test the keyword once. So that's okay. List the keywords, done. Now we should be cool as a cucumber. We should be ready to rock and roll. Run this bad boy. Let's go. Please work this time, please. Right. When untrained dog protected owner, it's found that it has a video, found it has a Quora link. Loving that. Okay, now let's see if it's actually saved it to the database. Project, show database. Database. Okay, so this is for the video. That's all good. Now to the Quora. Yay! There you go. Done. So the only thing that's changed is we've got separate tables for Quora, and it actually it might be a good thing. It might be a good thing because it'll be easier to export them then. So that's really good. So let me just think now. So we've got the list of keywords, threads. I'm gonna add, okay. Did I put into the thread in? Have I done that already? Let's have a look. So come on here, and yes, I've already added the threads. That's all good. So this is multi-threaded as well. Though if you're going to multi-thread and you're using Google, then of course proxies are needed. And I think further down the line I might add capture. So if there's a capture that shows and it's going to solve it. Though this is not built for speed. It doesn't really matter. It's for it's got two uses, but I'm going to use it privately to start with. So yeah, speed's not really an issue. I can put it on a server and let it run overnight. That's fine with me. There's no problem whatsoever. So that's all good. I don't think I'd even need a proxy if I just give it enough time per keyword. I think I'll be good. One thing I do want to do is actually give it a little bit of human emulation. Just going to change the type speed for each run. I don't think I added that already. So type speed. Okay, so let's go here, tools, random number, and between 10, 70, random, type speed, whack that in, and then when we type in the text, instead of having it 20 every time, have it the random number, so that every time it's typing in the keyword into Google, it's going to type at a different speed, so it looks a bit more human. So that's all good. Save that. Okay, what else do I want to do to it? It's quite simple. I think that's all I need, to be honest. So I can see what keywords have the video pack in, and I can see which links, what keywords have the Query URL, which is quite nice. I think that's check video. I think I'm gonna rename this though. Think of a funky name. In a sec. Okay. Bit more of the old Red Bull. Also, what I can do while I'm here. You can go to Google, Google in, make this a bit bigger. Okay. Okay, start loop. Start loop. Oh no. Start loop. Yeah, boy, not span. That's just crazy talk. Oh. That's the only options you give me. That's interesting. Span CSS. H3. What about H3? Are they all H3s? Swear I just saw H3 on there. Interesting. Yeah, there is H3, but these are seen as H3 as well. Yeah, H3. What about just using a span? Not like that. Nope. Okay. I should stop being lazy and use the development tools instead of guessing, which I'm going to do. Okay, come out of here. A little inspection, a little looky. Oh, because they're H3s as well, right? Could just grab them with a. Okay, instead of the loops. Script editor. Let's see. I don't really, even though they're faster, I don't really like using XPath. Oh, need to grab the old source code. Save page source code. Lovely. Get that XPath going on. See as text list. Maybe. Yeah, but it's not going to find it like that. It's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. Just a little test to see if it. Yeah, it's just finding the actual. That's awesome. That's funny. Okay. Just want to experiment with the old. Anyway. Oops. Make this a bit bigger. Start loop. No, I don't want that. A tag. Oops. Open a tag. No idea what that is. href. Okay. So this is one way to Atia, is it? Are you still there? Are you still on the stream? Not sure if he's done a runner. But what you can do to grab all the links, one way you could build a regex out, but this way is a bit slower. But it works. Is if you were just watching, you can just use start loop. Okay, and then when it asks you what you want to grab, you can go to match, and then all a href. That means all links. Okay, and then you can start a loop, and then you'd be able to grab them that way. So it's going to loop through. You can see it's kind of overlaid with blue. So it's going to grab all these one by one. It's not going to grab the video URLs though. It's going to grab all the links. So, and then you can decide what happens one by one. Like you could save them to a database or save them to a text file, whatever the case may be. So that's a way to do it. Do you know what I'll do? I'll quickly, because this bot's kind of done, but I want to put it into production and show you guys how I'll do that in a sec. But what we could do is come out of here. It's not going to really hurt or take as much time. I'm going to go new, and then I'm going to stick this in the bot vault as well. So guys, check out the link, become a member of the Bot Empire. You get access to the vault with all the codes in there, compiled bots and scripts. You get support, access to the support channel, access to all the courses, all the ones that are coming this month, like the Browser Automation Studio one on the 15th. You get that all included in your membership. So check out the link in the description. Get it done. And join me on Discord, yeah? Make sure you join us on Discord. That's awesome. And also there's a link in the chat to be notified of the courses when they come out, so you can get your early bird discount price. But if you join the membership, you get all these courses included. So take a look at that. Tanya Kelly, awesome. Thanks. That's awesome. I really like it when someone comes in and benefits from it. Nice stuff. If you've got any questions, crack the question in the chat and I'll be happy to help. Right, let's get on with this one first. So let's open a new. I did have a I did have a folder just for oh my days. What am I doing? I did have yeah. Okay, so do I put it Empire Gang. All these projects are going in the vault. Okay, so if you remember, you get access to all these. These are all the stuff from the previous videos that we've done. So let's call this Google Scrape. Something really original. Okay, let's restart the database. Restart. So let's get on and scrape Google. So I'm going to let's first start. Let's make it simpler. Where to save links? Okay, and this is going to be lines from file. Crack that. Next. Okay, I like it. Save. Record. where we're going to save these juicy links. Empire Gang. Rename this one. Actually, yep, rename Google Links. Sounds good. There, go. Dun, 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 dun. Right, let's just make this a bit more. That's good. So let's load Google, good old Google. There we go. Loving it. All right, so let's type something, anything. Best way to wear your hat. Who knows? Who knows? Okay. And then we're going to do a type. Hit enter, please, bot. Thanks. Okay, so let's do this. So this is just one way. You can use XPath and you could do regex, which scrapes faster, but this is another way. So I'm just going to click on something that I'm trying to scrape. I'm going to start a loop, and no, I don't want that. In fact, I want match, and I want to say a href is 49. Okay, and then I'll do that. And before here, I'm going to actually make a list. Yeah, list, create list, link list. And then I'm going to get rid of this. I don't need it, and I don't need to tell me the number that I'm on, so that's fine. So for each link that it finds, I want the bot to grab the actual URL. So that would be here, link URL inside the loop. Yes, please. Call it link URL. Sounds good. If it doesn't get it, don't fail. That's fine. 3 seconds. It's all gravy. And then once it's got the link, I want you to add an element. What list? Well, it's the only list we've got, link list. And what do we want to add? We want to add the link URL. And then we want to, so we make sure something's happening, we want to use tools, and then we want to log, and then link URL. And in theory, run this through a couple of times, see if it's grabbing anything. I'm not sure. Yep, okay. Okay, it doesn't matter if we get duplicates because we can clean that up afterwards. So that's all good. Just go through a couple. Okay, so look. So it's actually getting the Google Maps as well, but we can clean this up afterwards as well. It's not really a problem. Right, so it's adding these to the list, and once it's finished, we want to list, and we want to remove duplicates. What list? Well, the only one that we got, the link list. Get rid of them duplicates. Nobody wants ya. And then we can do logic for each item in the link list. I don't need to see what number it's on. What do we want to do? We want to, for each one, we want to write to file, write what path? Well, it's where we decide to save the links. And what data do we want to save? Well, when you're doing a loop, the item that it's on in the list is called for each data. So we can do that. Then we want to add a line and then ending symbol and append. So basically it's going to add it to the end of the list. Okay. Will this work? Who knows? So let's clear all. Okay. Now the first time that I run this, I'm going to do it through the record and then we're going to run it live and see what happens. Who knows? Right. So we've got a place where we want to save our links. Okay, create the link list. Go to Google, make this a bit bigger. Best way to wear your hat. Who knows the answer? Best way to wear your hat. Huh? Right. Return. Okay. Now here, just for safety, when we run it, I'm just gonna wait for the full page load. Okay. Now I'm gonna let it run through. I actually want it here to. Oh no, I have a log for each data. Cool. Okay, so obviously it's going slow because it's in record mode, but it's finding each one that meets our criteria and it's adding it to a list that we called linked list. And then when it's finished doing that, it's going to remove the duplicates from that list. And then for each item on that list, it's going to log out what that link is, and then it's going to write it to the file, and the file it's going to save to is where we decided where to save links. There you go, it's doing it now, hopefully. Let's see if it's actually I'm not sure if it is actually doing it because it's not showing up on the I guess okay, I think we have an issue. Okay, let's see how we got on. There's definitely an issue there, I think. Google links. Oh no, we did get them. However, there would be some work to be done here. As you can see, I'm sure some of these you don't want. These ones, history, all this kind of thing you don't want. There's they're not duplicates. There's just a lot of this the same URL, but they're not duplicates. So this would need some cleaning up. Okay. How you would do that is there's quite a few ways that you can do it. You can do if list contains, and then you could put say history, then it would get rid of anything with that in. You can also add stuff in. So if you actually wanted these, but you needed the HTTPS in front, you could use this. What I've done is a real kind of blunt way of doing things. This really needs to be cleaned up to be effective, but I hope that you've seen how to actually do the scraping. You'd need to clean that list up, and probably there's a lot better the loop that I'm getting. I'm searching for this. I didn't really take the time to look for something better. I'm sure there is a better match that would just scrape the interesting links, the ones that you want. However, just to show you, under tools you can replace string, so you could find one like that had history, and you could put that in there and then replace it with HTTP at the front. You can also, like I said, with the list, you can remove and do stuff like that. So you can clean up the list a lot. Yeah, and like I said, there's probably a lot better starting loop to grab than that. I just didn't take the time to do it, obviously, because I'm not building this bot out. But I hope that gave you an idea of one way to be able to scrape the data. You could use a regex. If you join me on Discord, the older browser automation studio course is on there for absolutely free, and I cover regex in detail. There's 3 videos in the course for it. So if you haven't already got that, go and check that out. Regex is a lot better way to scrape. It's faster, and you'll be able to grab exactly what you want. Looping through like this is a way to do it as well, like I've just shown you. And the other way is XPath, which is covered in the course as well. So check that out. That course is free. Join me on Discord, and then it's pinned. It's pinned on the channel, so you can just get your hands on that. Okay. And if you're a member of the Bot Empire, links in the description. The new course coming out the 15th is all yours for free. Has 110 different modules in. So I think that would have everything you want covered. Right. So I hope that helped a little bit. So let me go back to this bot we're on. Want to get that going. So let me see if there's anything else that I want to do to it. Oh, okay. First of all, I'm going to come in here, projects. Okay. Reset the database. Restart. Good to go. Okay. Just wanna. Okay, let's go back to Quora. Just expand on the questions. So we can see what would happen if we get a few more keyword lists. So we know that one's got both in. Let's just add a few more questions in and see what kind of results we get. And if everything's good, then I can wrap that up, that bot, which is always good. Yeah, so we can carry on with some of these questions. Stupid. I suppose it doesn't really matter. Add them in. Okay, let's get one more. I want one that's probably going to have a video as well. So some of these questions are crazy. Okay, let's just do 4 from there, and then I'm just going to do a couple from a different niche. Blogging. Okay, will I get more traffic? Okay, that can go in. Why not? And then, why do I keep going off? Let's get one more. Okay, that's going to be one that's probably got a video as well. Okay, I'm happy with that. It's fine. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6. Save. Let's make sure we've got everything currently out the database. There's 1. I'll just get rid of it by hand. Quora. Okay. Good to go. Loving it. Run this bad boy. So list of keywords. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, why does it do that to me? Projects, the bot empire, check video, keyword list. How many threads? 1 please. How many keywords to check? We've got 6. Really mad about the fails. Database to use is all and all, but it knows which ones are what. That's good. I'm going to wait 10 seconds just to be safe so Google doesn't spank us. Okay, that's 10 seconds before checking each keyword. Now, I added in so each time it checks a keyword, it types at a different speed as well, just an extra layer of protection. Let's see what happens. Let's watch it as well, so we can check to see if they've got videos in and see if it matches the results. So the first one we know has a Quora and has video because it's the "Will an untrained dog protect its owner?" This is the one that we did during the practice, so we know that has a Quora and has a video pack, so we know what the result's going to be there. Oh no. Ah. What happened? What happened? Oh no. What have I done? Did I get rid of the press enter? Go to Google, random, type. Yeah, why did I do that? Oh dear. Okay, so we need to go there. Basically what happened, for some reason I deleted the press enter. So it's typing it in and it's not pressing enter. So we want to do type and we want to type the enter key. And now we should be happy campers. Let's have a go. Okay. Oh no, I want to stop because that's going to give us a false positive on the database as well, because it said it couldn't find anything. Oh no, that's okay. Wouldn't have put anything in. Okay. I'll let you off, bot. I'll let you off. Okay, so run. Let's see. Hopefully this is going to be ready for production. Okay, so now it should press enter just fine. Yeah, there we go. Let's move this so we can see the result. So it's saying it has a video pack, has a Quora link, and we knew that one already. We'd already checked that one, so that's okay. So let's just see with other ones. That will close, and then let's open it again. Next keyword. So I'm leaving 10 seconds between checking each keyword, just so Google doesn't hit us with a captcha. And also I've made it, as you know, it's typing at a random speed each time. Just give that human emulation. So let's have a look. This has, I've got time, a video pack. So it should say it has a video pack. And I need to make this bigger. Has a Quora link. Okay, cool. I didn't actually see the Quora link. I didn't have time. Maybe I should have left it more than 10 seconds. But I'll trust you, bot. We'll check by hand afterwards. We'll just check the ones that it says it has. Right. Okay, there's no video pack on this. Okay, no video pack, no Quora link, and I can't see one either. So that should be correct. Awesome. So basically, I hope you see the power of where this is going. So what I can do, I could put 1,000 keywords in, low hanging fruit keywords, okay? Find out which ones have the video pack. And just a tip, if you use just the keyword as the title for your video and the description, just use the keyword, then normally for the low hanging fruit, then you're going to rank show in the video pack for Google. So you imagine if you've got like 1,000 keywords, you find 300 of them have a video pack, and then using the next tool that I'm going to create, it's going to be able to mass produce videos for each one of these keywords, and then obviously that's a lot of traffic you're able to get. So this has got Quora in, no video pack here, but it has a Quora link. Yep, correct. Awesome, 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 awesome. Has a Quora link, but no video. Yep, that's right. I just saw that. So that's awesome. So this is working. This is working. Eureka. Right, let's see if we can check this one. How can a novice blogger track traffic? Okay, have you got, can't see a Quora link, no video. And it says the same, no video, no Quora link. Nice. We're in agreement spot. We're in agreement. Okay, so let's check to make sure that we, so yeah, here you go. We've got 2 had the video pack in and 4 that had Quora links. So I'm just gonna, apparently this has got a Quora link in, so I'm just gonna take this, come over here. Oops. Fine. Fine by me. Get this one over here. Yeah, that has a Quora link. Awesome. So this is really good. It's working. I'm happy with it. In case you've just joined me, what this bot does is you input a list of keywords, and then it's going to go out to each one of the keywords, and it's going to tell us if there's a video pack. You know, you get like 4 or 5 videos in a pack on the front page, and then it's also going to tell us if it's got a Quora link on there. The reason being that I can create mass videos, and then we can rank in the video pack for them keywords. So you think on mass how good that is. And with the Quora links, the idea is to answer the questions in that niche, okay, and then use a different tool to upvote the answer. So then you're going to basically start taking over Google for them keywords, okay, so you get evergreen traffic in any niche. So that's the theory behind the bot. Okay guys, I'm just going to quickly run to the CR. I'm not going to run, I'm going to walk. So just bear with me. In the meantime, please check out the links in the chat. Check out the membership. I'd love to see you guys in there. Yeah, check out all the benefits that you get. You get support from me and access to the bot vault and all access to the courses. So just spend a couple minutes, check that out. Commercial plug over. I'm just going to go to the CR. I'll be back. Okay, boys and girls, I'm back. Get a sip of the old Red Bull, and then I'm gonna put. What I'm gonna do is I'm happy with this bot. It's working. It's doing everything that I need it to. So I'm gonna compile it. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a GUI and user interface because it's gonna go. I'm gonna spin up a server, put it on a separate server, and let it have its wicked way with a niche and work on that, and then see what the results are and kind of go from there with it. So yeah, just give me a second. Need some more of that Red Bull. The only problem with this Red Bull, one of the problems with it, is it goes through quite quick. Need the CR a lot. Okay. Sip of this. Yummy. Right. So, just going to check this. I'm going to put this in order to list of keywords. Actually, I'm going to have list of keywords, amount of threads, how many keywords, database, times. That order is fine with me. That will do me. So, save. Everything's good. It tells us. Right. I'm going to build. So, I'm going to hit compile. No. First of all, save as. Think of a name. Empire. Ooh, Empire. Some rank checker. V&Q checker. I need a name. I need a name for this. Thinking of name is always so difficult. Empire. Bleh, block. Empire. Not ranker bot. V&Q bot. A name. What about? Oh, do you know what? Empire Play Spot. I don't know. Empire Play Spot. No. V&Q. Empire V&Q. That looks bad on there though. Oh, dearie me. Empire V tracker bot. I don't care. It doesn't really matter because it's not going out to other people at the moment. So Empire V tracker bot. Why not? Okay, so now I'm gonna build this bad boy, and then we know what the name is now. Empire V tracker bot, and then let me just. Oh. Do I want to? Oh, yeah, okay. Just in case someone else gets to use it, I will just. I don't know what to have for an image actually. Tracker, it's going to be car related, isn't it? Yeah. Do you know what? Funny face. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. Whoa, what the hell? Maybe not. More tools, size, icon. What you got? You'll do save image as, and then we'll just put that on the desktop for now because it doesn't matter. It doesn't actually matter. Now let's go ahead. Compile. Empire V tracker bot. Now let's crack this bad boy open. Desktop. There you go. Could add the scheduler in there, I guess, but I don't really need it. So no. Empire V tracker bot. Yep, cool. Yeah, go ahead. It's all gravy. Upload that to the server. Okay. Got a little standalone bot here as well. I'm going to take that and move it into the folder that I made. And then I'm also going to make a zip version, so everything's ready. Okay, so now, okay, that's all golden, that's all gravy, it's all done. Come off of here, come over here, and then actually, I need to log in. Where am I going? Browser Automation Studio. Okay. Scripts. And then shimmy down here, Empire V tracker, actions, interface. And then able, default. And then we're going to enable for everyone so they can see the GUI. And then I'm going to edit the interface. Let that load. Okay, taking your time. It's one Red Bull down. So then I'm going to get rid of all this. I don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. All this. Show scheduler. We're not using the scheduler, so no problem. Okay. I'm not actually going to do much to this at all. It doesn't matter right now. I can always edit this later. But I am going to, excuse me. I'm going to take all these, whack it in the middle, change the font. Then I'm going to go over each one of these. This is just for now. If I was going to give this to somebody or whatever, then I can always add to it. But I do like to have a separate GUI. I could have just left it with a standard GUI and got on it with it. But I just wanted to show you a brief overview of changing stuff as well. So it doesn't really hurt. Show database. Yep, that's all good. Make this a bit bigger. Whoop. Whoop. And then we could. Oh, that's okay like that. It's fine with me. Okay. So that'll do. Obviously, it's not a good GUI or anything. Oh, GUI, but I just wanted to show how simple you can change stuff around. It's quite. If you know HTML and CSS, you can make these as good as you want. But you can do drag and drop and kind of just edit things like you just saw me do as well. So I'm going to save this bad boy. Okay. So then now I come here. I'm going to users, create a user, Dino video 1. Okay, give script to user, me, give it to me, and what did you call it? Empire V tracker bot, and then that'll do. Sounds good to me. Okay, come off of here, get rid of that, and then I want to come here. On the bot. Now, the first time that you launch a bot, when it's compiled, it takes a while because it has to download all the dependencies. But after that, after you ran it the first time, then it loads really quickly after that. People always say, oh, why is it taking like 5 minutes to install? It's because of the dependencies. But if I ran it again, then it'll load in like 5 seconds. So just so you guys know that if you're out there building bots and you're compiling them. Bit of a commercial break, guys. Check out the membership. Check it out. The link is in the chat or the description. Yeah, check out all the perks that you get for that, and definitely join the Discord channel. And you can also, there's a link to get notified of the latest courses when they come out. So check that out. Good. Whoa, Red Bull down. Finish the Red Bull. Let's let this happen. It's going to take a few minutes first time, so I'll let that crack on. I don't have to wait around. Let's see. Yeah, that's good keyword. We've got the separate one for the Quora. That's all good. So what the aim is here is to tackle a niche. So I've got loads of keyword tools that I've made myself. So what I'm going to do is run that, get loads of keywords for the particular niche that I want, and then yeah, get all the Quora links and the video links for it. I think I'm going to spin up a server to run it instead of doing it on here. So that'll be all good. Give that a minute. Go about 10 million minutes, 14%. Oh goodness. Because I also want to put, yeah. Okay. While that's happening, I might as well. Oh no, can I? I'll do it this way. Let's get some server power. Boy, log in. Oh, need to top up. Only $16. Okay, I don't need anything powerful for this because it's only going to be running one thread. So let's see what I can get. Let's get a server. It's going to let me. Servers, come on. Oh, internet's going slow now. Wow, come on, what's going on? This is slow, come on. Oh, gonna be asleep by the time this finishes. What is happening? Doesn't like me today, does it? What's going on there? Wow. Come on. Okay, we've got sound still. Yep. Always good. Feed is still live. Always good. What is going on? Come on. Trying to boot up another a server from you guys. Let's have it. How are we getting on with this? 13%. Wow. Something's wrong for it to take this long. Something is truly wrong. See how long this is going to take. Too long is the answer. Okay. So we got a bot that works. We tested it. It scrapes all the videos, gets all the Quora. The idea of what I'm going to do next, I don't think I'm going to be able to show you guys because something is definitely up with the internet connection. Because this, although this is slow the first time you run it, it shouldn't be this slow. And there's definitely something wrong with the net because this is taking 8,000 million years just to get on here. I was hoping to boot up a server, put it on there and show you what's going down, show you it running. But what's going to happen basically, guys, is that I'm going to put the bot that you saw me make, I'm going to put it onto the server. I'm going to also install on there a keyword tool that I created myself. So grab all the keywords for the particular niche that I want to target, then run the bot that we just made and grab all the ones that have a Quora and a thing. Oh, we're on now. We're on. We're on like Donkey Kong. Is it going to let me do it fast? Okay. Okay. Windows. What do I need? 2 CPUs, RAM. Just 8 gigabytes enough. 50. Oh. Okay, sunshine. That'll do. That'll do for this. It's literally going to be running one thread all the time, maybe two at the most. So this setup's absolutely fine. It's not powerful, of course, this kind of setup, but it'll do. Let's call it videos. Let's check to make sure. New Jersey, that'll do. That's fine. I like it. I like it. Video and links. Can you do spaces? No. Oh yeah, you can do it like that. Video and links. That'll do. I think that makes sense. Order. Yeah, it's making it. It's making a server. Okay. How are we doing here? 16%. Oh my goodness. What happened? Do you know what? I'm just going to cancel it here and just run it on the server because that's where it's going to end up anyway. So we'll just, it shouldn't take long for this server to get made, and then we'll go onto the server and whack it on there, get the keyword tools on there. That's it. So guys, add on Discord. Don't forget to join on Discord. So you can also get the old Browser Automation Studio course, and lots of stuff that you see me do today is covered in that course. It's absolutely free. So you know, if you fancy it, go over to Discord. It's pinned on there. Here we go. We've got a new server. I'm gonna have to move this over here because I don't want you sneakies seeing this. So what we got? What we got? Let's check this out. Remember me, yes please. Password. Okay. Let's get in. Get stuck in. Okay. I wonder if I can be cheeky and just drag and drop the bot on here and not have to upload it somewhere first. Because that could be quite annoying. But it's quite a big file. Let's see. Oh right, we've got nothing on here, have we? So no, I don't. Okay, so we're gonna have to turn off stupid IE thing. Local server. What's it called? IE enhanced security. No, off. Okay. Yep, and then okay. I Google Chrome I want though. Download. No, I don't want to help Google. Run it. Run. Deal, 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 deal. Don't need that anymore. Okay. Now, I wonder if I can be really cheeky. If I can be really cheeky. Copy. This PC on the C drive. Let's call this. It's the only bot going on here, so the bot, because you're the only one. Oh no, well that's not true. I'm putting the keyword tools in here as well, so that's a bit naughty. It's a bit naughty. Okay, we can change that. Now, I wonder if I can just. It's a big file, so it might not let me. Go on, son, let me. How big is it? How big is it zipped? Oh, looks like we're gonna be able to just whack it over. I like you a lotty. Oh, 30 seconds. I can give you 30 seconds, computer. That's fine. How are we doing here? So, yeah. Okay. How big is the actual? Oh, that's only 16 megabytes. Right. Right, yo. Oh no, Coda's in the building. How are you doing, son? Okay. What's going down? Right. We have it over, and we have Chrome on here. Out the 15th, mate. Out the 15th. The new course. The old course. Have you looked at the old course, Coda? Have you checked that out? It's the old one, as you know. If you haven't already done so, check out the old course because it's got a lot in it. However, the new course has 110 modules, so that's going to keep you busy. Right. Okay. That'll do me. What's your username on Discord? Or you don't have to put it in the chat if you don't want to. Who are you? Who are you? Right, let's get this going. What did I even call the username? Was it Dino Video 1, wasn't it? Oh, that's who you are. I know. Yeah, you're a lurker. You're a lurker. That's all good, mate. Yes, out the 15th, the new course. Anyone else? Check out the membership link. It's in the chat, pinned. Get all the courses, the JavaScript one coming out in this month too, and the AutoEd course, and of course the Browser Automation Studio one. So that's all included in the membership, as well as support as well. You get added to the support channel and get added to the Vault with all the scripts and stuff getting added. There's a lot more going in there. I had to sift through so much stuff to get to decide what to put in there. Yeah, we chatted this morning. That is true. I know exactly who you are now. Yes. Right, yo then. Okay, give that a second. That's fine. I actually, while that's doing that, want to find where I've put the. This is going to be interesting. This is going to be really interesting. It's under Empire. Do which keyword tool? Keyword Empire is the one I want. Why haven't I got a compiled version here? Where are the compiled versions? Who knows? Anyway. Oh yeah, this has got Node with this one as well. It's going to be fun. This is going to be too big just to hop over as well. I'll find the links so I can just download it straight in a sec, because that's just going to be stupid anyway. What's the login? I don't know. I don't know what I just called my username. I just made it a minute ago. Oh, dearie me. This is the trouble with getting old. Right, so let's get off of here a minute. Let's make sure we're all saved, but exit, and then let's crack open this, and let's actually try not to do it in capitals. What is happening with the internet connection? Come on. Come on. And then we need users. And then, yeah, here we go. I can't believe that I couldn't remember that. Let's get it in. Let's get it on. Okay. I found a great course website for coding tutorials. Coda, don't promote. You know my stuff's the best. Come on. Right. So that's that. So we've got that. But I need to grab Let me think. That hurts thinking. Okay. Interesting. I'm gonna have to go through and find. Okay. Just on the other screen, Google. Right. Let's find this. Yeah, the Coda, the JavaScript course that I'm doing is uh, there's so many great courses for JavaScript out there. The difference being that 99% of the JavaScript courses out there, rightly so, are aimed at people that are designing websites, which is great and fine. The one that I'm doing is based for people that are into browser automation and desktop apps. So it's a little bit different. I'm not going to be covering the kind of like JavaScript to make your website look pretty kind of stuff. Go to Drive. I'm just on looking for a link to my own to my own software. To let's have a look. Invite course. Huh. Mm, let's have a look in here. That's no good. That's no good. Okay. I'll be with you guys in a sec. I'm just trying to find a link to particular software so I can put it onto the server because I'm going to use it to scrape the keywords. So look, where is it? Projects. So much stuff. All this stuff is going onto the Vault. So you're going to get all this stuff. I've got so many bots and so many scripts. So definitely check out the membership because you get access to all Bot Empire videos. Where am I at? Where am I at? Social. Ah. What's it? Okay. What have I done with it? Okay. Anywho. No. Oh, I want to go into VS Code. Tempting. Let's organize this. Okay, right. Let's just quickly go back on here. Where did I put it? A. Ah, I know what's going on. I know what's going on. Yeah, it's all good. Okay, did I? I wonder if I put it. get back over to the server. This bot's ready to go. In fact, I should test to make sure that this actually works on here before I even get into the keyword side of things anyway. So let's just make sure. So let's get a keyword list going. Keyword list, and I'm just, because I know that there's results, I'm going to take the use the list that we were using on the desktop version before we compiled it and put the GUI on, and put it on here. And then let's whack it on here. Try to. Paste it in. Okay, yeah, replace. It's all good for me. And then so we've got the compiled version, okay, that we've built, and we've put it onto its own server that I just spun up a new server. So let's keyword list. Oh, the connection's quite slow. Hard one. How many keywords? I think we had 6 on the list, didn't we? Put 6 files, doesn't really matter. Hopefully the database settings have stuck. I can change them anyway. And then I'm going to wait like 15 seconds between each keyword when it's on the server. Even though we put in some human emulation to change the speed of the typing, I'm still not going to take too many risks. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's press the run. Make this bigger. Coda. I actually started learning JavaScript because of your videos and Bass, so it's a smart move to offer JavaScript course. Yeah, and because everyone's my audience are like into browser automation and desktop apps and kind of like naughty bots. The JavaScript course, like I said, is not going to be. There's so many good courses out there for JavaScript. So if you want to learn JavaScript for websites, then cool. But my course is going to be geared around just learning JavaScript, of course, and then Node.js, and then together with them, you can. Then we're going to move on to using like Puppeteer. I don't know if you saw the live stream that I did yesterday where we got into Puppeteer, doing some scraping and all that. We're going to get into desktop apps in the course and all the good stuff like thing. So yeah, here we go. Yep, let's check the browser. What are you saying, browser? You actually doing as you're told? Yay, that's good. Rightio. So let's just let it run through the 6 to make sure, and then we'll check the database to make sure we've got data in there, and if so, that means that everything's golden, everything's lovely jubbly, and then I can get the keyword tool on there. And the whole idea behind this, get the keyword tool running on here, scrape loads of keywords for the niche, and then use this tool to check to see if they have a video pack and a Quora link on there. So yeah, all good in the hood. This might be going in the vault as well. So if you become a member, you can get your hands on this as well. So link is in the chat. That okay, how many have we done? 3. Oh yeah, I put for it to wait 15 seconds between each one. We can see the nice little graph here telling us our successes. We like them green, not red. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, we'll just count on here. 2, 3, 4. Let this finish off. Hopefully everything has got added to the database, and if so, we're good to go. Has a video pack, has a Quora link. Yep, that's good. No video back here. Okay. So we've got 4, 5, one more. Looking for one more. Come on. It's my own fault for leaving it 15 seconds between each one. Done. Lovely. 4, 5, 6. I like it. Now let's restart this, and then we're going to check the database and see if we had a success. Okay, so we've got 2 that has a video pack in. Nice. Quora results should be 4. Yep. Brilliant. Everything works as expected. It's always nice when that happens. Always good. Right, so we have the bot that checks any keywords we give it to see if it has the video pack in and if it has a Quora link in. World domination is at hand. So what keyword tool am I going to go with? I think I'm going to stick to what I said. What I want to do is actually, because I just zipped one up, I could put it over there. It's just going to take some time though. I don't really want to do that. Okay, so let's go over here. I've got software. Oh no, this is the. Okay, let me just go over to the other screen where I was getting the actual tingling, the right files, so I compiled them. Get a bit of music while I'm doing it. Okay, here we go. Check on, and there we go. There we go. So we have the compiled version there. It's good. I'm going to be cheeky and I should be able to come on here and I did it with the first tool, so hopefully I can come up on here and then C drive, and then we could, the bot, the keyword tool could be next. This is actually Keyword Empire. Keyword Empire. I'm going to whack this on the server as well to get keywords. Hopefully I can just paste it over the whole thing. Yep, it looks like that's a go as well. Nice, loving it. So the idea is get Keyword Empire on here, the tool that I made, and then we're going to get a load of keywords for a niche that I'll reveal in a minute. And then after I've got loads of keywords, and I'll run the bot that we just put on there to search for the keywords that have the video pack on it and the Quora links. And then after that, I can use the tool that I'm creating to make mass videos, one for each keyword, rank it and bank it. And then for the Quora, then I'll have someone write the answers to the questions, and then use another tool to make sure that we're top, so that you're kind of taking over the front page of Google for the keywords. So there is in the vault, there is about after this is going to be the whole how to do that thing put in the vault. It's like a case study of a PDF. So Make sure you join off as a member to the Bot Empire. Link is in the chat. Get all the perks. Right, so we've got this on there. So let's get this on there, unzipped. I'm gonna have to make a yeah, I'm gonna have to come on here and create a user, not create a user, give script to user, Dino, video. I didn't use the capital Dean. So it's still gonna find it. Thank you. The script is gonna be keyword empire. Yes, please. One machine. Okay. User not found. That's interesting. There it is. That's better. Give script to user. Code of the master plan. World domination is at hand. Yeah. It's a great way to get loads of traffic, you know, for clients or for yourself, your own niche. Basically, if you're taking over the video space. And then with Quora, like all the well, not all, but most of the question keywords in a niche has a Quora link on the front page. So people go on there, and if you're top the answer, nice little link to your blog posts, and then you get all the backlinks as well. So all good in the hood. So we've done that. We can come off here now. And then we'll go on to the server that we spun up. Let's get Keyword Empire rocking. Oh, it's when you launch something for the first time, it takes a while because it has to put all the dependencies on, as I discussed earlier. So let's wait 10 hours. Jesus. Okay, so we've got Keyword Empire on here, and we have the the video scraper bot. So we're in business. The server that I spun up is just got 8 gig of RAM. It's only going to have one thread, 2 threads running at the most at any one time, so it doesn't need anything powerful. So yeah, that's all that we've got here. Got I think it's what Windows has this got on? Should know, shouldn't I? Really? 2019, I think. Okay, come on. Okay, so this is, we don't actually need this on yet. Save some RAM. Let's get rid of it. Sayonara. Okay, let's load up the keyword tool. Keyword Empire. Put that in. Base keywords. I need some base keywords. Right, yeah. How many threads? Just one. How many keywords do you want to scrape? 10 trillion keywords, please. Database to save. Okay, this is all good in the hood. Apart from, why did I just do that? Let's get back on it. All please. Right, I need to get some keywords. So let's get some Chrome. Okay. Travel India. Blog. Let's just spin up a new notepad. Travel India. Okay. I'm gonna look for about 10 base keywords. So travel India guide. Should put guide to traveling India probably. Guide to traveling India to India to India from the Philippines. Nope. No thanks. Okay. Let's get that on. Should be some. I want to travel the whole of India. Travel. That's a good one. I'll take that. Thank you very much. Let's get that down. In the tour guide. Plan a trip to India as well. Got to have that. I've got to. Okay. Give me more. Give me more. I could put it in a question form as well, I guess, but see what else we got. I want to travel the whole of India. Right. India trip planner. Okay. It's close to the other keyword, but hey ho. That will be okay. See what we've got. 7. Guide to travel in India. I've already got that. Why is it when you try and think of keywords, they never come to trip to India? Plan my trip to India. Kind of got that road trip to India. This, even though it's going to overlap a bit with the keywords. Planning a trip to India. Traveling to India. Information. No, I didn't press that. Why am I doing it that way? Information on traveling to India. Yep, spelling it correctly would be nice. How many we got? 9. Come on, one more. I said 10, and I meant it. Okay. When can I travel to India again? Yeah, this is all. That'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Okay. Okay, I think for some reason the stream just cut off. Damn it. What happened? Okay. That's no good. Okay, well, the stream's cut off, but you guys that are watching the replay at least will get the whole thing. Uploading the replay. And join the group. Join the Discord channel. Okay, that'll do. Okay, unfortunately the stream ended, but the people watching the replay get to see the end. So I think I'm still here. I'm still recording. So anyway, anywho, right. So for you guys watching the replay, let's come over here. Let's get a list of keywords. No, I'm not. I'm in the wrong. Where am I going? What am I doing? Keyword empire. So we want a list of. So our keyword list. Okay. Keyword list, and then there you go. That's a good start point. That's your base keywords. No, that's wide. That's what I got wrong. Want to be here. Keyword list. How many threads? Just one. 10 trillion keywords. Fails allowed. 500. And then, yep, that's all good. In fact, no. I should test this first. Just make sure that this is, because this is the first time running it on this server. So here we go. Okay. Have a little look at what's going on. Cool. I'm going to run more threads, I think. I said I'm only going to run one thread, and really, the truth is I'm going to run a lot more. Okay, it's done. So let's just make sure it went into the database so that I know that I can leave this running. Show database. Yep, that's all good. Main keywords. Yep, got 24. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is delete all this, so I know it works. Delete, and then question keywords. Oh, it deleted everything. Okay, awesome. So now what I'm going to do is I want to scrape 1,000. Okay, one thread's fine. Just going to let this bad boy run. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's it. I'm going to let this run. Like so. And then I'm going to run the adder bot that I created on the stream after this is done. So I'm going to let this run overnight. I've only got it on one thread. That's fine. I don't care about the time. I'm with this. Yeah. So all good. Thanks a lot for joining the stream. It cut off near the end, but if you're watching the live feed, the replay, then you can hear this bit. If you haven't already done so, check out the links in the description. Join up for the membership to the Bot Empire. You've got loads of perks. When you click the link, it will give you the list of all the perks. And also make sure you join me on the Discord channel if you haven't already. and also there's a link in the description so you can get notified of all the courses or new bots that get released, so you can get the early bird discount codes. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on the stream. I really appreciate you guys. I want to spend more time doing streams, so it's really good. It makes me smile that you've come out and supported me. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.